Alright guys, on this episode of I Use This Tool, I am going to show you guys my winch on my lift. Alright, so if you're like me, you're a one-man band, you're working on people's junk, no offense you guys, and you sometimes get a lot of jobs that don't run when they come in, or you know, anything, whatever. It's got to be pushed in by hand or something. And that is tough to do, man, especially when it's either snowing and freezing out, or if it's 100 degrees and hot and you're already sweaty before you even start pushing something in. Or you just plain can't do it because it's too heavy. So I devised this plan. I don't remember when I did this, a couple years ago. And I found that Harbor Freight sold these winches, and they have a wall outlet plug, which is sweet. So what I did was I bought the winch and the mounting plate, and I was trying to think of, originally I was going to put it on the floor back here with like a D-ring or something, one on each side, because I got to lift over here. And then that way I could move it to which side I was going to pull a vehicle in on. But then I started looking at my lift here, and this is an asymmetrical lift, which means all the arms, you know, are facing backwards, obviously, and it angles this upright. So if you look at the angle on this upright, it pretty much pitched my winch so that the cable could go out this door or out this door. So it just worked out awesomely. And all I did was I got some, looks like maybe those are 7/16 or 3/8 bolts, and I welded the heads of the bolts to the lift in the appropriate spots here for the mounting plate. And then I just used, you know, like a serrated lock nut or something to mount it on the lift. And it's been there for, I want to say 3 years now. And I never even touched it. Looks like there's a nut that fell back behind here. You see that? Anyway, that's kind of interesting. So, you know, you could use an extension cord to plug into this because you got wall outlets everywhere, right? I was lucky enough to have my electrician put in this sweet, like, little, whoops, got my controller wrapped up there. This 4-block deal from the ceiling, and I just used a magnet from like another one of my magnet trays to like hold it there. But basically I just plug in my winch and it's powered now. So we can lift up here, pull this out a little bit, and then lock it back in. And now we have in and out. So let me show you guys how good this works. Common misconception with a winch, right? So you take your vehicle, let's say Ron Burgundy, my Cutlass. If you guys don't know what that is, you need to check out my freaking channel. You're just totally living under a rock, dude. That car is 3,000 pounds. So you'd think, oh, I need a 3,000 pound winch to roll my car around. Well, you don't. You need like whatever it takes to pull that. I mean, it's probably, I don't know, I can do it by hand, so it must be just like a couple 100 pounds on a flat surface, right? So you don't need to match your winch rating to how much your car weighs when you're doing it in this application. That's why I'll show you, this winch is rated to 1,500 pounds, and we're gonna pull in my truck. It's a 2500 HD long bed extended cabin. This thing probably weighs, look at it, it's long as heck. I don't even know what it weighs, but I bet it's like, it's got to be 5,500 pounds or something, 6,000 pounds. So we're exceeding the weight limit on the winch by 4 times. And watch this thing, and this isn't flat. This is this got a lip here. It's pretty hard to see on the video. We got a little uphill and then like a 2-inch lip almost, kind of to bounce over with the tire, which is just due to my poor grading out front that I need to fix. But yeah, I'm gonna hook this up right now. I'll show you. I think it's got enough length on it to reach just right to the truck right now. I'm not sure how long the cable is, but it's probably long enough to, probably has a couple feet left. So it must be, I don't know, 30 feet or something long. So usually if I got a car that's further back, I just use like, I got a chain here with 2 hooks on it. You could use a really long, like 3-inch ratchet strap that you use on your trailer or something. You could, you know, one of these guys. All right guys, so let's pull in the big 2500 here. Boom! She's in. And I didn't even break a sweat. There she is. Okay, you guys. That's it. That's the Badlands 1,500 pound winch that is 120 volt AC power from your wall outlet. Comes with the controller. You do have to buy the mounting plate separately for it, but that's her. I love that thing, and I get a lot of people walk by and they go, "Oh man, that's such a good idea." So I wanted to share it with you guys. It's a lifesaver. Cool. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.